Hey everybody, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to mail out your dispute letters from your house, from your home office. I mean, if you want to be in the toilet taking a leak, you can send a letter without going to the post office. So first things first, you got to go to this website called LetterStream. And I'm going to, obviously, let me go to the beginning, okay? So it's going to look like this. You have to obviously create an account, put your name, email address, etc., create an account. Once you create an account, it's going to look like this. Ignore this one on the left. I just have it ready so I can have the credit bureau's addresses ready, because I'm going to be showing you guys how to add them on your address book. That way you don't have to manually include them every time you want to send a letter. And it's going to help you not only save time, but just like multitask. So I highly recommend to do this step. But so you're going to have your account. What you can do is go to my account. And you're going to go to the tab that says address book. Once you're there, you're going to click right here, add new address. We're going to first start with Equifax. So we're going to put the name. We're going to put obviously Equifax. And then you're going to put the address. You can put Equifax, I don't know, dispute. But I just leave it blank. It's totally up to you. I just name it Equifax. Here's the address. You're going to put P.O. Box 74256. And if you want to speed up the process, you can copy and paste this and it'll make everything just easier. But I'm just manually trying to do it so you guys can see how to do this, because I know this might be very new to many of you guys. A lot of people think you actually have to go to the post office to mail out a letter, and that's 100% no. Especially if you're someone like me who, I'm not saying that I'm lazy, I just like to find more efficient and faster ways to get the job done. So obviously you're going to put the city. We're going to put Atlanta, and it's in Georgia. Paste, look for Georgia, which is GA. Put their zip code. Copy and paste. Obviously the country is USA. Save new address, and once you click this and it's gonna save, it's gonna be automatically there. Now we're gonna do add a new address, and then we're gonna do Experian and TransUnion, and it's gonna be the same step. Just put the name, address, city, state, zip code. Make sure to screenshot this if you don't know where to send your dispute letters. Click save, and boom. Obviously I already have it on my actual. This is my actual LetterStream account. This is just one that I just created so I can do this tutorial for you guys, so you guys can see how it is to do it. If you guys are interested in learning how to, which tab you can play around with it yourself, or you can actually let me know if you guys would like to see a video tutorial on how to actually send the letter. So that is it for now. I hope you guys learned something valuable. If you're interested in more of anything under the subject of credit repair, how to increase your credit cards, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe. It motivates me and it actually supports the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.